Manipur thokliba Irang asigi marudi Congress na hulambani haina NPF Manipur ge State President Awangbou Nyumaina mara sirakli. Ngasi pangthokiba paugi mifam amada wafam asi phongdokladuna mahangna makatana hai Manipur thokliba Irang asida Congress Party na masagi thaudang masak khangzadana leiriba silaibak thipani. Party asi migi aran ahui singda khuthinba yamna thuba aduga masagi maral khangzadaba party amani. Congress lengaki matamda kuki militant group singa suspension of operation kudiak pinaramdrabadi ngasi lamdam asida thokliba Irang asi thoklamloi. Lamdam asida thokliba Irang sing asigi khwaidagi maruoiba maramdi suda leiriba kuki militant group sing asini aduga Irang asigi maruna Congress Party na hulambani haiki. NPF ki legislature singna Union Home Minister Amit Shah tha asigi kunmanga unakiba aduga mari lainana mahagna hai. Mefam aduda NPF na lamdam asida tangdulai taba hanjul hannaba khonabada laugadaba thaudang singi matangda kupna khanaki. NPF ki luchingba singna Union Home Minister unakiba aduga mari lainana Congress Party na wahang hanglakliba se Congress Party ki thawoidaba matawadu miyam mamangda uthokchabani. NPF silaibaga sigi oina khwaidagi liraba party singi manungda ani subani amadi awang nongpoki oina khwaidagi liraba party ni hainasu mahakna makatana phungdokhi.
Who has a serious concern for the welfare of the people will always raise any matter irrespective of the state, be it a South Indian state, be it North Indian state, we can still raise our concern whenever anything happens anywhere in the country. Not only Manipur alone. Our party president, Dr. Nifirio, the President Honorable Chief Minister, shown his concern for peace in the state, which is everyone should in fact welcome. That there is a political party who have so much concern for peace everywhere in the country. Even though we may have some limitation in the opposition area of our party, our concern is for the entire country. Our concern is for the entire communities, particularly the marginalized community. We stand for them, we speak for them.